Hello friends, my dear viewer, on behalf of BnCMS Study Festivity, I am Dr. Kr.Chakrabarti. Today is the 7th episode of our online statistical free education class. The episode episode Statistics 107. The topic is tabulation 2 in statistics. Tabulation, this is the second class on tabulation. My previous class was, that is a class number 106. Was with tabulation 1. Okay, that is some issue. I am letting you know what is that. Basically, friend, before entering into the depth of the solution, I have taken up a good set of observation numbering 1 to 100. Okay, there are 100 observations with me. I have already told you, no, मैंने आप लोगों को बोले हैं हम लोग स्टैटिस्टिकल टेबल में क्या टेबुलेशन में क्या प्रेजेंट करते हैं, वही कंसीडर द ऑब्जर्वेशंस. इन माय क्लास नंबर 6 द ऑब्जर्वेशन वाज only 50. Okay, and the value of the observation was 1 to 10. Okay, what is the problem was there and what was not the problem over there. In that in class number 6 I had the observation 1 to 10, the values of the observation 1 to 10, and it was total number of observation, n was 50. Clear? Correct? So on the observation was 50. Those who have not gone through my previous class, please, I would like to let you know, the link will be given and you must go through that until and unless you go through my previous video, that is 106, you cannot understand the material elements of this presentation. So friends, that was 1 to 10. The number was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Five candidates were asked to find out the number of children in a particular locality, in 5 localities. And they collected the ages of how many? 50 candidates aging 1 to 10. So here the observations are very limited in number, very limited in number. Today, in this class, I am taking up 100 observations. 100 observation is not the problem. Problem is the range is high, and this is the observation of the marks obtained. This is the observation of marks obtained by the students, numbering 100 in a class on any subject. Take it. This is the marks in mathematics. Okay, this is the marks in mathematics. So mathematics marks obtained by 100 students, marks obtained by 100 students in the subject mathematics, and the mathematics has got the full marks is 100. Okay, now someone may get I think let me think that nobody is obtaining 0. So someone 1, someone 5, someone 53, someone 99, someone 100, someone 82, 83 and so on. Clear? So देखो range, the range is a very wide range, no? It ranges from 1 to 100. The range is very high. Clear? 1 to 100. And the observations are varying in number. The observations is how many number? The number is 100, and it is of varying number. It is not the number 1 to 10. Okay, it ranges from 1 to 100. Clear? So as a result of this, so friend, the tabulation which we did in our class number 106 will not suffice the purpose. Okay, तो वो जो tabulation मैंने किए हैं ना, single tab, that is I have taken up the observation, individual observation. No, how many observations we had, friends? हम लोगों को 10 का observation था. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, x1, x2, x3 and so on, x10. Okay. So it was not the problem, but whenever it ranges from 1 to 100, is it possible for us to maintain that type of tabulation, to prepare that type of tabulation? It's not, friend. So yes, it is possible, but it will take a good number of pages, and it is not at all logical to present our observation in that manner. That is not at all a logical step. Okay, we the students, the intellectual fellow always try to find out the ways of how to overcome the difficulties. There was no difficulty in our previous problem. No, पहला वाला problem में हम लोग को कोई difficulty नहीं था दोस्त, क्योंकि 1 to 10, अरे ये तो सर इधर आ जाता है ना, क्या problem है सर, क्या टेंशन क्या है? तो उस क्लास पे आप लोग को बहुत अच्छा लगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं था. लेकिन दोस्त अभी प्रॉब्लम नंबर है 1 to 100, चलो 1 to 10 में एक बोर्ड लगा था, तो 1 to 100 में 10 को बोर्ड लगेगा, ये तो इज इट नॉट पॉसिबल। तो हमको सॉल्यूशन करना पड़ेगा। हम लोग सॉल्यूशन बना लिए। हम क्या किए, हम लोग क्या करेंगे, थोड़ा सा ग्रुपिंग कर देंगे। कितना अच्छा होगा, 1 से लेकर 100 तक है ना, 1 से लेकर 100 तक। हम एक काम करें, 1 से 10 तक चले, 10 से 11 से 20 तक चले, 20 से 21 से 30 तक चले, इसी तरीके से 91 तक, 91 से 100 तक चले, है ना। In that case the variable was discrete, ठीक है, individual, okay, it was a variable, but I considered each and every variate. समझे, what is variate? I have already told you, 15, 20, 25, 30, or this is the variables. Okay, this is the variable because it is taking, why it is variable? It is variable because it is taking different values in a set of observation, correct? This thing has already been spelled out in our class number 6, clear? Now this is the variable, clear? Now these are the variate, okay? So what is a variate? Variate is the individual observation, a finite number between two numbers, okay? Therefore between 15 and 25 there is another number, that is variate, right? Clear? It's variate. But whenever we are taking into account all the variables, these are the variables, this is the series. It is in discrete variable, we can handle the discrete variable very easily, when the range is very small. When the range is very limited, range जब छोटा हो, 1 से 10 कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, 120 वो भी चलेगा, लेकिन 1 से 50, 1 2 3 4 50 up till 50, then 100. अभी तो अब छोटा बात में काम कर रहे हैं. Whenever you are taking going to do collecting the census issues, okay, the different multiple material type of materials are collected. Multiple materials are collected by the census by the collector. In that case the problem will be high. So what do I do in that case? So friend, हम लोग क्या करेंगे, हम लोग का सॉल्यूशन क्या है? किसी ने, सूरज ने बोला सर आप क्या बात है, अबे माथा टकलू हो गए, केस सब उठ गया, अभी आपको माथा पे नहीं आता है, बड़ा माल है ये, बहुत है इधर, हाँ 69 इधर है, अंत में 17 है, बीच में 1 है, अंत में 100 है। तो एक काम कीजिए ना, ग्रुप बना लीजिए। सोचो कोई स्कूल पे, हाँ हम लोग प्राइवेट ट्यूशन करते हैं, 10 लड़का को प्राइवेट ट्यूशन करते हैं, 10 लड़का अलग क्लास का, कोई 5, कोई 6, कोई 7, कोई 8, कोई 9, कोई 10, कोई 11, कोई 12, कोई बीकॉम, ठीक है। जब एक ही क्लास का बहुत सारी आ जाता है, हम लोग क्या करते हैं, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स, whenever I am teaching the 5 or 10 students, I may give their individual attention. Okay, I am taking care each and every individual, अलग से पढ़ाई करा लेते हैं। बट जब नंबर बहुत हो, 100 लड़का, सर बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाते हैं, चलो हम लोग भी पढ़े, हम लोग भी पढ़े, तो हम क्या करें, 5 का एक ग्रुप, 6 का एक ग्रुप, 7 का एक ग्रुप, 3 का एक ग्रुप, 5 का एक ग्रुप, इसी तरह ग्रुप कर लेते हैं। तो इन दैट वे वी ऑल्सो, हम लोग क्या करते हैं, ये इतना जो डाटा है ना, इतना जो डाटा है, वो डाटा को हम लोग ग्रुप कर लेते हैं, एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट ग्रुप फ्रीक्वेंसी, वी फाइंड आउट द फ्रीक्वेंसी. Okay, and this is known as grouped frequency distribution. Okay, clear? देखो, there are 2 types of frequency distribution. Okay, frequency distribution, that is simple frequency distribution, and that is grouped frequency distribution. Okay, simple FD, or FD means not fixed deposit, fixed means FD means frequency distribution. तो देखो, what I have told you, frequency distribution क्या चीज़ है आप लोग जानते हैं? Frequency distribution basically a tabular presentation of the data along with the number of times they occur. Clear? Now whenever we are taking the individual item, that is known as single frequency distribution. ठीक है, single frequency distribution. And whenever we are considering good number at the same time, in some logical manner, that is known as grouped frequency distribution. Clear? अच्छा, now I am coming up to the whole issue from the very beginning. What I have told you, statistical process, we are concerned with what topic? हम लोग क्या लेकर चल रहे हैं बाबू? हम लोग स्टैटिस्टिकल प्रोसेस लेकर चल रहे हैं. स्टैटिस्टिकल प्रोसेस का फर्स्ट फंक्शन क्या है? फर्स्ट फंक्शन ए प्रोसेस की, व्हाट इज ए प्रोसेस? ए प्रोसेस इज ए फंक्शन और सेट ऑफ फंक्शंस इंटरलिंक्ड एंड इंटरलिंक्ड परफॉर्म सिस्टमेटिकली टू अटेन द गिवन एंड. हम लोग को जो ऑब्जेक्टिव है वो ऑब्जेक्ट, जैसे तुम लोग को घर में मांस बनाना है, मांस एक मैंने जस्ट मांस लेकर आकर एकदम पूरा बन जाएगा नहीं. देर आर डिफरेंट प्रोसेस, नो, देर आर डिफरेंट फंक्शन. मांस को गर्म पानी से धो, उसके बाद मैरिनेट करो, उसके बाद मसाला लगाओ, उसके बाद ये पैन में ये दो, ऑयल दो, मसाला दो, ये दो, उसके बाद मिक्सिंग करो, उसके बाद थोड़ा सा पानी दो, उसके बाद पोटैटो देना है तो दो. और इसी तरीके से यू हैव टू गो थ्रू डिफरेंट ह्यूज नंबर ऑफ फंक्शंस. और ये फंक्शन आप लोग सिस्टमेटिकली परफॉर्म करते नहीं, करते कि नहीं, वन आफ्टर अनदर, जो जैसा होना चाहिए. नहीं, एक लड़का बोल रहा था उस दिन, सर जानते हैं मेरा मम्मी क्या किए, पहले मसला में मांस में मसला फसला लगा के उसके बाद गर्म पानी में धो दिए. चलेगा क्या? चलेगा नहीं. तो द फंक्शंस आर टू बी परफॉर्म सिस्टमेटिकली, एंड व्हेन ए गुड नंबर ऑफ फंक्शंस which are interlinked and interlinked perform systematically to attain the given objective is basically known as a process. In statistical analysis, there are a good number of functions. So there is a statistical functions are a process. Okay, it is a process, and in the first process of statistical analysis is what? The first process is the collection of data. Next, what it is, I have already told you, it is scrutinization of the data. The unwanted data should be deleted. The only we should consider the data which are for our analysis. Okay. Number 3, classification of data. Clear? Classification in different bases. So it is not your concern. Third group of functions are summarization and presentation. Summarization and presentation of the data both are taken together, and we summarize the data and present the data with the help of a table, and that is the process of tabulation. These things I have already defined. Okay, in my last class, in class number 106, I have defined what is tabulation. Okay, tabulation is a process, is a statistical process which is concerned with the two functions, summarization and presentation of the data with the help of tables, in a logical manner. Okay, तो देखो summarize tabulation. What are the, if you are asked what are the features of tabulation? Number 1, it is a statistical function. Clear? So it is a function related to statistical analysis. Okay, so it is the study of statistics. This is number 1. So it is a statistical process. Number 1, it includes two processes. One is summarization, and the second one is presentation. We summarize, कैसे summarize करते हैं? इधर वेरिएबल लिखने के बाद हम लोग उसको क्या करते हैं, टैली मार्क्स का अंदर summarize करते हैं, और उसके बाद जो निकलते हैं वो है क्या, फ्रीक्वेंसी. ओके, एंड क्या करते हैं, इसको लॉजिकल मैनर में करते हैं. तो आई हैव स्टेटेड द डेफिनेशन ओवर हियर इन ए वेरी लॉजिकल मैनर. tabulation इज a process of summarizing data. ठीक है, summarizing data and presenting it in a compact form by putting data into statistical table. What is the statistical table? The table is known as table showing frequency distribution. Table showing frequency distribution. Okay, so this is presentation. The first part of our tabulation function is summarizing the data. Number 2, presenting the data. Clear? Achha, and what are the features of tabulation? Dekho, what I have told you, for the first one is that I have not written all the things. You define, you develop your, if you go through my class properly, you can easily, systematically, all the classes. If you have attended if you have gone through all the last classes, the links will be given in my video. Okay, last 6 classes, you can easily find out the solution over here. The number 1, it is a statistical process. Okay? What is tabulation? Tabulation is a statistical process. If you know nothing about tabulation, at least you know, अरे ये दाढ़ी वाला कहाँ पढ़ाए थे, इसको तो हमको statistics का क्लास पे पढ़ाए थे. So it is a part of statistical process. चलो हो गया. At least लोग समझेगा, अरे बाबा तू इतना जानते हैं, ठीक है ना. Clear? So this is the first one, it is a statistical process. Clear? Number one. Now what type of process is it? It is a systematic arrangement of quantitative data. A data quantitative है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So quantitative is a quantity. There are two types of data. One is quantitative data and the other one is qualitative data. लड़का को उम्र कितना है? 15. लड़का को ये कलर कैसा है? फेयर. देखो फेयर you cannot quantify it. Okay, so it is qualitative data. Okay, it is known as basically known as attribute. ATTRIBUT attribute. और उम्र कितना? 15. It is a quantitative data. Okay, clear? तो next the data must be related to each other in some logical issue. ठीक है, एक लड़का को उम्र लिए, एक लड़का कितना खाता है वो लिए हैं, एक लड़का कितना टाइप का जामा पैंट पहनते हैं बोले, वो तो वैसा तो नहीं होगा. एक ही किस्म एज क्या लिए थे? व्हाट इज द लॉजिकल इशू? देखो इन लॉजिकल इशू तो क्या है? एज ऑफ द स्टूडेंट, एज ऑफ द चिल्ड्रेन गोइंग टू स्कूल. ओके, हियर व्हाट इज द डाटा? इट इज द number of marks obtained by 100 students in a subject, say mathematics or any other, they are having total marks 100. Okay, so it is next the data are arranged in some columns or rows. देखो this is known as column. Okay, this is known as column and these are rows are known as row. Whenever I am writing 1 2 3 and telling us something, 5 6 and 9, so what is that? This is the row, this is the column and these are the row. Okay, so it is presented in the columns and rows. So these are the features of tabulation. Question maybe in your ICSE examination I have not seen this type of presentation, this type of question, but if you want to, whenever I am going through the subject, it is my responsibility to give every detail of the subject. Every detail of subject. It may not be available in your book, but it does not matter to me because it is available in the world. It is available in the world of study. Clear? Understood, friend? Acha, now see. So देखो, I have defined tabulation. What is a tabulation? I have tried to help you memorizing this. Tabulation is a statistical process. Very good. How many processes involved with it? There are two processes. One is summarization of data and the presentation of data. Now, how to define the term tabulation? Tabulation is a process of summarizing data and presenting it in a compact manner, compact form by putting data into a statistical table. So this is the statistical table. In this statistical table, how do we present the data? With the help of some columns and rows and columns. Clear? Just you see. So that is what are the features of tabulation. Number one, it is a statistical process. Number two, it is a systematic arrangement of quantitative data. Next, the data must be related to each other on some logical issue, and the data are arranged in columns and rows. Clear? So with this basis, with this premise, I am going to solve this problem. Problem देखने में हमको डर लग रहा है गुरु. देखो यार this is the marks obtained by students. हाँ, 100 लड़का उतना मार्क्स. ये देखो और लिखो, तो एक करने में हमको थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होगा. तो I would like to help the anyone who is sitting with me over here, and he will spell me the number and I will go on writing. Okay, so for this issue, excuse me friend, for I would like to take the help of the fellow. Now I am letting you know the basic thing. I have already discussed the discrete variable in my previous class. Now I am grouping the value. Why grouping? The question of grouping comes. Grouping, what is grouping? Grouping, you know everybody. हाँ सर जानते हैं क्लास में बहुत सारी ग्रुप चल रहा है. हाँ क्यों? हाँ सर, हम कुछ बोलेंगे तो वो लोग कुछ बोलेगा, तो ये समझते हैं ना, ऐसा होता है क्लास में. तो 40 का लड़का है, लड़की है, लड़की के अंदर में ग्रुपिंग ज़्यादा होता है. 3 एक किस्म का, 7 एक किस्म का, 9 एक किस्म का, 11 एक किस्म का. ठीक है, उतना 11 होता नहीं. लड़का लोगों के अंदर में भी गो होता है. 4 गो, 5 गो, 8 गो, 10 गो. क्योंकि व्हाट इज ग्रुप ऐसे ही होता है, एक किस्म का इनका. द ग्रुप इज बेसिकली मेड ऑफ द आइटम्स और क्वांटिटी हैविंग द सेम नेचर एंड फीचर. समझो, द पर्सन, हमारा जो सोचा है, वी नो द बर्ड्स ऑफ द सेम फीदर फ्लॉक टुगेदर. एक साथ एक ही जाते पक्षी एकत्र बसावादे, एक किस्म का बर्ड्स एक साथ रहते हैं. तो एक सोच का इंसान एक साथ रहेगा, वो लड़का हो लड़की हो वैसे ही हो. तो हम वही काम तो करते हैं इधर ग्रुपिंग में. ठीक है ना. तो हम लोग क्या किए, इतना सा क्या ये है, हम लोग ग्रुप कर ले हैं बाबू, हम लोग क्या इतना सा डाटा प्रॉब्लम होगा, हम वो तक कटना नहीं चाहते हैं और ज़रूरत भी नहीं है, तो हम इसको ग्रुप कर लेते हैं। क्या 1 से लेकर 10 तक, ठीक है, एक ग्रुप हो गया। इसका मतलब है क्या, एक ग्रुप में एक क्लास बन गया। इस क्लास में कितना आइटम रहेगा, 1 से लेकर 10 तक। So 10 items will be over here and the first item will be 1 and the second item will be 10. Last item will be 10. So 1 to 10 जितना सा होगा सब इस ग्रुप में आ जाएगा। Understood? So this is known as grouping. So simple frequency distribution we have done in class number 106 and this class 107 is concerned with group frequency distribution. Okay, so 1 to 10. Now this is known as the lower limit of the group, and this is known as the upper limit of the group. Okay, so what is the lower limit? Lower limit is the lowest number in the existing in the group. Now 11 to 20, now 21 to 30, it is 31 to 40, then it is 41 to 50, 51 to 60, 61 to 70, now 71 to 80, 81 to 90, 91 to 100. So, देखो, this is a column. Okay. Now herein lies the row. Okay. This is the row. The first column is devoted to class interval. Okay, that means it is the first group. Okay, number 1 to 10, and the last one is 91 to 100. Now these are the observation. What is the observation? 69. Where 69 falls? 69 falls over here. ठीक है, 69 देखो, from 61 to 61 to 70. Clear? So and now, so it is gone. Now 51, 27, 34, 51 where it is 51, and 27 falls over here, 27, and 34 over here. Clear? And then 42, 86, 99, 42 over here, 86 over here, 99 over here. Clear? Now, so all this gone. 34, 31, 21, 34 over here, 21 over here, and 31 again. Okay. So the first part, this is gone. So we have completed this part. Now consider this one. 12, 19, 9, 12 कहाँ जाएगा बाबू? 12, 96 over here, and 9 will fall over here. Clear? 67, 77, 67 and 77. 67 कहाँ है? इधर. 77 over here. ठीक है? 67, 77. 25, 57. 25 and 25, 57. So it is over here. 57. 56, 10, 72. 56 over here, 10 over here, and 72 over here. ठीक है? सो ये अच्छा हुआ दोस्त, इतना वेरिएशन करके इतना बड़ा जाएगा लेकर चलना, मेरा थोड़ा सा फैट ना वो घट जाएगा. ओके. अच्छा, 47, 79, 47, okay, 79 over here, 79, 5, 73, 29, no, 5 not, how much it is? 59, 73, 29, 59, 73, and again this is 29, clear? 29, 9, 27, 79, 9, 27, देखो हम ऐसे ही काट देते हैं, 9, 27, 79, 79. So again I am grouping it. Okay, 4 go हो गया, ये 5. 41, 59, 41, 41 where it is, and 41, 59, 59. So देखो इधर 4 हो गया था और एक 5 घट गया. Clear? So this part gone. Now this 95, 23, 95, 23, 95 will fall in this category, 25 in this, 95, 23, 23 in this category, 23, 85, 49, 85, 49, 85, then 49, 49 comes to this category, 85, 85, 49, 53, 81, 53, 81, 53. So this is 53 and this is 81. 53, 81, 33, 88, 33, 33 over here, 33 and 88, 33, 88, 88, 95, 17, 95 and here it is 17. Clear? So this category gone. Now friend, 20, 70, 73, 20, 20, 70 and here it is 73. 53, 98, 53, 98, 53, 53 and it is 98. So I am making the group 53, 98, 85, 93, 85, 85 again I am making a group, 95, 72, 45, 72, 72, 45, 72 and 45. So it is again group 72, 45 and it is 91, 91. So friend, this category gone. Now take 37, 75, 37, well it is 37, 37 I am making the group and 37 and 75. So friend, 75 over here, chalo, nice. 90, 10, nice marks. It is 10, it is 90, clear, 10 and 90. 73, 91, 73, sorry, 94, 73, 73 and it is 94, 73, 94, 82, 50, 82, 82 falls in this group, 82 or 50, 50 means another. 50, 84, 13, 84, 84 comes at this category, 84 and 13, 13 falls over here. Good marks obtained, okay, 13. Now this group, 87, 99, 87, 87, it is 87, or here it is 99, 87, 99. 30, 78, 30, 30, 78. Now I am making another group. Okay, 56, 41, 41, 41, 41 over here or 56 over here. Okay, 56, 41. 54, 61, 54. 61 over here, 54 over here. And 68 and 1. Very nice. 1, it is 1. I'm making the group, and it is 68, no? So also group. So these are the group, because I am taking the tally marks 5 together. Clear? Now there is 8 and 22. 8, 22. 8 falls over here, 22 falls over here. 8, 22. 45, 26. 45 and 26. 45. 45 falls over here. Sorry. 45 and 26 over here. So I have added already over here. Huh? 26 and 97, 75. 97, 75. 97, 97 and 75. 75. 17, 99. 17 over here, 99 here. 15 and 14. 15 and 14. Clear? So friends, this is gone. Now these two only, 72, 15. 72, 72, 15. 15 means where here. 82, 57. 82, 57. 82 and 57. So I have already taken it previously, so I have written it over here. 57. 28, 11. 28. It is 28 and it is, it is 11. Clear? 51, 71. 51 and 71. So friends, it is a very clerical process, this part, but understanding is the most important thing. The process is that 51, 71. 51, 71. I have written, no? Acha. 86, 60. 86 and 60. Oh, sorry, 60. 86, 60. Now this is the last column. 55, 35. 55, 35. Okay, 55, 35. 91, 18. 91, 18. 91, 18. 18 over here. Here it is 91. 14, 3. 14, 3. 14 and 3. Here it is 14, 3. 181, 100. It is 100 and it is 81. Clear? 70, 17. 70, 17. So it is 70 and it is 17. Clear? So friends, a very tedious, very clerical process has been completed, and it has taken a good quantum of time. But what would I? हमको तो करना पड़ेगा ही ना काम तो. Okay, in the next process, this is the one. I think next time I would have not to do in that way. Okay, clear? Now you see, so what is the total frequency? देखो. So friends, what we have done, we have grouped the data. कितना वेरिएशन, कितना नंबर्स है? 1 to 100. टोटल फ्रीक्वेंसी कितना होगा? 100 होगा. देखो हम लोग तो सॉल्यूशन करेंगे, कोई गलती हो सकता है इधर उधर मेरे ख्याल से, क्योंकि यहाँ से हुआ इस मोड से उस मोड तक चलो. हाँ, ठीक है ना? तो इसीलिए थोड़ा इधर उधर हो सकता है. एनीवे, चलो, मोरलेस प्रोसेस बीइंग द सेम. ओके, नाउ वी हैव इट इज huge number of one. It ranges from 1 to 100. Huge observation, wide observation. what I have told you, wide range, varying observation of wide range, इतना बड़ा रेंज, 1 से 10 नहीं, 1 से 100, और varying organization, इतना वेरिएशन 79, 80, 81, 1, 90, 100, इसी तरीक़ा से, इसीलिए हम लोग क्या किए, ग्रुप किए। चलो एक एक क्लास, अब तो समझ गए ये क्या चीज़ है। नाउ व्हाट इज़ द फ्रीक्वेंसी, इट इज़ 5 and 2, इट इज़ 7, okay, now it is how much, 5, 5 and 2, it is 12, it is 5 and 5, so it is 10, it is 5 and 1, it is 6, it is 5 and 3, 8, it is how much, 10, 50, 13, okay, now it is 6, it is how much, it is 10, it is also 13, it is how much, 5, 5 and 12, so it is 12, and it is 5, 5, 10 and 13. Clear? Just if you calculate it, I think the total number will be 100. देखो 7 to 9, 15, 15, 23, 26, 26 और 32, ठीक है, 32, 40, 0, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. वाह, चलो थैंक्स टू गॉड, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा। मैं कैलकुलेशन में ऑल टाइम बहुत वीक हूँ, लेकिन फिर भी चलो इधर ठीक ठाक है। नाउ क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी, you know all these things, this has been done in the previous class. The cumulative frequency less than type, 1 से 10 के अंदर में कितना स्टूडेंट है, कितना है, 7, 1 से 10 और उसको नीचे कितना स्टूडेंट है, 7, और 11 to 20 इस ग्रुप और इसको नीचे कितना है, ये पहले वाला ग्रुप का 7 है और इस ग्रुप का कितना, 12, तो कितना है, 19. Clear? In the same fashion, so I am making this one, okay. देखो तो 21, 30 इस ग्रुप में कितना है, 10. Clear? तो 21, 30 in this group, in this class, and इसको नीचे कितना होगा, 19 plus 10 कितना, 29, okay. इसको कितना होगा, 35. यू नो ऑल दिस थिंग्स, आई एम नॉट रिपीटिंग। ये कितना होगा, 43, ओके, इट इज 43, it is 56, and it is how much, it is 72. So friends, it is 72, और it is कितना, 85, 70, 62, it is 62, और it is ये कितना है, 62 and 13, 75, क्लियर। ये कितना है, 87, और ये कितना है, 100. That is N. That is total cumulative frequency. Clear? So friends, this is the presentation of grouped frequency distribution. What is the table? The table is known as table showing frequency distribution. Bracket में आप लोग लिख दो grouped frequency distribution. Clear? So this is the in total everything with that. I am letting you know in 2 minutes. I am recapping what I have done so far. We are running with statistical process. Statistical process, collection of data, classification, scrutinization of data, classification of data, gone. Now we are concerned with tabulation. Tabulation what? Tabulation is a statistical process. It has two compartments. One is summarization of data and the presentation of the data with the help of a table in a compact manner with the help of rows and columns. All have been given. Tabulation has got two types of function. One is summarization and number two is presentation. And in case of presentation, summarization, presentation, there are two methods basically we follow. When the number of observation is very small in number and the range is very small, in that case they are taken in discrete manner, one after another, discrete, individual, okay. But when the number of when the observation is of varying range, and in the varying range and with different types, that what I have told you, varying observation in wide range, then हम लोग क्या करते हैं, उसको group करते हैं. जैसे आज का प्रॉब्लम है, हमारे 100 ऑब्जर्वेशन है और 1 से लेकर 100, हम इसको क्या किया, 10 से लेकर ग्रुप कर दिए, ठीक है ना, लॉजिकल ग्रुप है, तो उसको हमको प्रेजेंट किए हैं, उसको समराइज किए हैं, प्रेजेंट किए हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ रोज. दिस इज द रोज, हाउ मेनी रोज, it is 10 rows and here 4 columns, okay. It's a columnar presentation, okay. So it is the frequency distribution of grouped data, ठीक है. Thank you very much friend. In the next class what will be, I will let you know in my class number 8. Okay, thank you very much. Stay tuned with us, go through properly. A link will be given, go through all the videos if you want to have absolute conception over the subject. So thank you and stay tuned with us.